Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have UGreen HiTune wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these earbuds not pairing with your device, or if they keep disconnecting, or if they're not connecting at all or not syncing, or if they become unresponsive, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now the second reason you might want to do this is if you're just setting these up on a new device and you just want to get a fresh start by wiping all of the pairing history off of them and getting them back to the way they were when they came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that quite easily. The first thing you want to do is just go to your phone that you had them paired with and delete and forget the UGreen HiTune that they're already synced to. From there we can go and put our earbuds in the case, leaving the case open, and make sure that they're charging. And then all we're going to do is we're going to long press the button on the back of each earbud and hold it for 8 seconds until the LED indicators flash blue and white 3 times, at which point we can release, and then we can go ahead and close the case, open it up, take the earbuds out, and set them up as new earbuds. Super thanks for watching.